Okay, this is the video on the 7740 spray rig tractor, Ford. And we're gonna get on it here in just a second. We'll go ahead and walk around it. Has a quick coupler attachment here in the back. PTO. Special pump to run the spray. Right down there. And let's see what else. I'm not too familiar with these spray rigs, but has the tanks up front, all the controls and everything, all your pressure and everything is right here. So you can see from the inside. Then you got all this stuff under here. A lot of stuff. If you didn't want to use it for spray, you could use it for just a regular tractor, which it's very, very nice. So we're gonna get up in the cab here, start it up, and see what we can do. Okay. Alrighty. I figured the easiest way to do this is just come in and show you everything. Put all the forward and reverse controls here and all your different speeds. Up here is a radio plus air conditioning and heat. Nice speakers. There's your other controls for your 3-point hitch in the back. And let's just see what happens here. Alright, let's shut the door. Nice and quiet. I'm gonna give you a shot there. So, right now it is showing we're in fourth. We're gonna bring it down to first and put her in reverse. Look at how slow that is. That's in first. So let's go ahead and speed it up a bit. We will switch it to, I'm going to put it to where you can see both. Second, third, fourth. And this right here is your forward. And we're in fourth, low range. The air on and it's all blowing good. I don't know if it actually has air conditioning. I think it just has the vents. Usually in the farming industry it never gets too hot, so they probably don't have the air. They just have vents. But the vents work good. It means it's winter, it feels great. All the glass is good. There's those controls I was telling you about. Right there. Tells you how much pressure. The controls to turn them on are right there. Okay, I'm gonna, let's see here. We're gonna, and the brakes work good. We're gonna put it up here. So that would be fifth. Let's see what fifth is. Fifth is nice. And we'll switch it to 6. Yeah, it works really, really, really good. We're at 2,000 RPMs. Tanks are big. Again, this is on the Ford 7740. Turn really sharp. Very smooth tractor. Very, very smooth. video on the 7740. The cab is super clean inside. You probably saw the pictures of it before. So now we're going to bring this down to fifth and into fourth. It's in drive. Put it in reverse, pull it back. And this here is your throttle control if you want throttle. Put this drive. Alright. So that's what we got, people. I'm gonna put it in different spots. Might as well ride with me. 4 lows, that's what it is right there. Drive. I think the radio works too. Oh yeah. Nice. I don't know if I like the music, but nice. So anyway, it seems like everything works on it. That neutral, emergency brake is down here. Just put it on. Says it's in park. What else can I show you? I think it's all that. Lights, pump. Lights. Valve. They seem to be working. I don't know what these things are, but we won't mess with it anymore. Oh, let's make sure the back goes up and down. Down. It's going down. Nice. And up. Very nice. Hydraulics out the back there. Peephole window there. What else we got here? I think that's it. Okay, that's the video on the 7740. If you need to see it further in person, you can come on Friday the 21st and check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.